Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Jen. Today I'm doing the unboxing for the Chanel Classic Small Flap Wallet. I'll be showing you the sales receipt along with the business card of the sales associate. This is the sales receipt and this is the business card of the sales associate. So now we're going to open the box, and as you can see, the box is beautifully wrapped in Chanel ribbon with its signature camellia flower. I am very excited that I was able to buy this Chanel wallet when I was in Las Vegas. I bought this at the Chanel boutique at the Bellagio in Las Vegas. So let's open it. And as you can see, this is the Chanel care instructions. These are just the care instructions for the wallet, and it's in different languages. So now let's open the wallet. As you can see, it comes in the Chanel signature dust bag, and it's very luxe. I love their dust bags. I love the feel and I like the look. So now when we open it, and here you go, so excited. This is the Chanel Classic Small Flap Wallet in black with a gold hardware and in caviar leather. So I opted to buy this wallet in the caviar leather because I think it's more durable compared to the lambskin leather. So anyway, let's open the wallet, and as you can see, as you open it, you will see the Chanel logo at the very top, and the interior is in their signature burgundy color. Okay, so right now, as you can see, there is the tag or the label, and it contains the style number along with the other descriptions of the wallet. And that's basically it, just the descriptions of the wallet. So when you open it, there are 3 credit card slots on the left side and 3 credit card slots on the right side. So in total, there are 6 credit card slots. And there are 2 flaps on each side where you can put receipts or anything that you fancy. So probably for me, I'll probably put receipts there. And there is a slot for your money or bills. And this is the Chanel Certificate of Authenticity. And it has the serial number at the very top. So once again, this is the slot for the money or the bills, and the 2 flaps on each side. And at the back, there's a zipper coin pocket, and it's pretty roomy. This wallet is pretty compact, and the width is about 3.6 inches and about 4.1 in height and 1.2 in depth. This is just the perfect size wallet for me, and I'm so in love with this Chanel wallet. I will put the style number on the description box for your reference. And if you enjoy watching my video, please give it a like or thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and have a blessed day, everyone.